Ellie, and welcome to my channel. For my first ever video, this is pretty exciting because I think this video is pretty fun. So today, hold on. Period. Okay. So welcome to my first ever video, and I'm pretty excited because it's my first ever video on YouTube. And for my first ever video, I think this is a pretty fun music video. I mean, have you seen the title? That's pretty exciting. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, which you probably are, because it's my first ever YouTube video, you should subscribe, hit the bell, and also give it a thumbs up for liking this video. On my social medias, I have Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram. I do not have Twitter or Facebook. So, for this video, as you read the title, we are gonna be, how do I explain this? Okay, so for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a DIY wall collage kit, or I don't know, because it's my kit. So, it's my kit, I guess. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, so the first thing that I did is that I measured my big wall. My wall was almost 9 feet long way. The first thing that I did is I measured my wall. My wall was about 9 feet. My pictures, instead of being 4:4, I did them 4:6 because I didn't want to, okay, so even though the pictures that I got from this app called Shutterfly, which I'm not sponsored, but Shutterfly, so instead of getting a 4x4, I got 4x6. It's not that it was gonna be expensive, the 4x4 and 4x6, because on Shutterfly, a 4x4 and 4x6 are free with the app. I am not sponsored, but I am going to explain this to you guys, since you guys probably are going to use Shutterfly too, or you guys also could use CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, Family Dollar, all that stuff. But I decided to use Shutterfly just because I saw it on TikTok, and also I thought it was pretty great because they're free unlimited 4x4s and 4x6. So that's why I decided to do Shutterfly. Okay, pictures that I got are 4x6. The reason is for that, I did not want my pictures, I didn't want to order a lot of pictures because I feel like that was going to be a lot of taping. This literally took me about 2 to 3 days to finish, since my wall is so big. I will be putting pictures so now we can see the final product, but my wall took 2 to 3 days to finish, and imagine a 4x4, it probably would have taken me 2 to 5 days. So yeah, I'm so glad I got 4x6. I'm a person that doesn't like to order again and again. I want to know how much I need that exact time. Like, I need to know the exact number so I don't have to go back and forth. So what I did is that I got my ruler and I measured 4 and then 6 by, okay, so I measured 4 like this on my wall, and then I put 6 like this on my wall. The reason for that is because I don't like to go back and forth. So I actually got the exact number that I needed, so I didn't have to keep going. Okay, I didn't have to order from Shutterfly again. Well, actually, I did. Okay, I'll explain that right now. On the top of my wall, since my pictures are 4x6, since my pictures are 4x6, I have LED strips. So on the top, when I was supposed to put another 4x6 script, I couldn't because I would have to cut the picture, and I didn't really want to cut any of these good pictures because I thought it wasn't worth cutting. So I basically got landscape pictures, and landscape pictures are basically So these are script. This is landscaped. So I got, okay. So what was I saying? I don't know, but, oh well. Okay, so, while I was measuring this, I needed landscape photos. And I wasn't gonna get script because it was cutting and all that, and I didn't want to do that. So I got the landscaped, and I got 9 landscape photos. So I got 9 landscape photos, and I believe that I got 221 scripts, and then 9 landscapes. So I was gonna do my wall. I wasn't gonna do my wall, just my wall. Like, okay. So basically, let me show you. This is my wall, and then over here, it's connected to above my closet. So above my closet, I measured it with my roller, and it was at with the LED strips, it comes out to 12 inches. So if you think about it, okay, I'm about to do math. So above my closet is 12 inches with the ruler, and I thought my 4x6 are already 6 like this. So if you do 12 minus 6, it equals 6, right? So that means I only have 2 groups / lines to do a 4x6 on each line. So I could do two rows of 4x6. Like basically like this. But I only have 2 rows instead of. So while I ordered my stuff, I ordered my pictures from Shutterfly. I was gonna originally order my my double-sided tape from Amazon, but I ended up not doing that. I did not order my double-sided tape, or I didn't even order it from Amazon or any other places. My mom actually went to a store and then she saw double-sided tape, so she just brought it to me so I could try it out if it worked. And it actually did work. I don't know what the brand is. It was just like one little thingy. It didn't really have a label. It just like straight up just had itself. So my mom told me if I could try it, and I was like, yeah, why not? Like, I really wanted to get this stuff done. So I tried it and it worked. Some pictures were falling off just over the fact that it's windy in my I like it cold in my room. So like it was kind of pushing away my pictures. But I got some Gorilla Tape on the back of it so that would work. Not all my pictures fell off, but some of them did. So some of them I did need to put Gorilla Tape on the back. Okay, Gorilla Tape is really strong, but it does not affect my wall paint. It might affect yours, so I would be careful with Gorilla Paint on your wall because I don't want you to damage your wall. So, but it didn't damage my wall, so I'm fine. If you're wondering where I got my pictures, or if I took these pictures by myself or I took them, I did not take these pictures. These pictures are all from Pinterest. Pinterest is an app. Okay, I am not sponsored, but Pinterest is an app that gets you to see pictures of aesthetic stuff, videos, furniture, bedrooms. If you need ideas on anything, Pinterest is your way to go. So I saw Pinterest, I downloaded it, and then what you basically can do is make an account, and also while you make that account, you're gonna make a board. And then I made a board, and basically what I typed into the search bar is vibing aesthetic, beach aesthetic, friends aesthetic. I love my friends, so I put friends aesthetic. What else? I put blue aesthetic, I put beachy aesthetic, I put some cities, some buildings, all that stuff. So, oh yeah, and that's basically it, what I searched up on Pinterest. So basically, what you could do to save the photo is that you could click on it, hold on it, and then there's a pin, and then you could click on that, and then save it on your board. I have like 7 or 8 boards, so I love Pinterest. Honestly, I think my photos from Pinterest were such a good idea to get them from Pinterest, just for the fact that Pinterest has a lot of good photos. I don't know where these photos are specifically taken from or who took them, but I think you need to give them credit or something like that. I don't know, but I don't really know who took these pictures, but I do really appreciate it because my wall looks amazing with your pictures, so thank you. Okay, so if I were to rate Pinterest, I would give it a 10 out of 10, just over the fact that I got every single photo that I liked, and also there's like more to Pinterest that I could do and see, so I give Pinterest 10 out of 10. Shutterfly, I give it see, here's the thing about Shutterfly. The first order that I ordered, the pictures came out blurry, and my dumb self, because I was using Shutterfly for the first time. I haven't used Shutterfly at all. So when I use Shutterfly, I did not know that like there's a sign that I'll put it right there. So yeah, it was basically putting that sign on the top of the picture, and it said that it's gonna come out blurry. And when you come to adjust the pictures, it literally says it's gonna come blurry. I did not pay attention to that. But here's the thing. I did not pay attention to that just over the fact that I got all my pictures from my laptop on Pinterest, and I put it in an album from Shutterfly, so I thought they were all gonna come out clear because all of them came out clear on my laptop, but when I was starting to order stuff on my phone, they all came out blurry. So moral of the story is that you should download your pictures on Pinterest on your phone so that way they don't come out blurry. Oh, and also I give Shutterfly a 10 out of 10 because that mistake, the first order mistake, was my fault. I did not know. But then like the second time, all my pictures came out great and all that. I do recommend, okay, so instead of getting normal pictures of flash and all that, because you could see that like this is like, you can't really see the pictures because of the reflection of the lighting. But what you want to do is get matte instead of a different style, so that way the pictures do not reflect over the light when you film. If you are a YouTuber, even if you take pictures, I suggest not getting light a normal picture thingy. You should just get matte because it's not gonna reflect over your pictures or your flash or any type of lighting. The first Shutterfly box of pictures that I ordered are matte. The second time my mom ordered them, but I put all the pictures and I adjusted them. But I don't know if she put matte or not. I will have to check, but I don't think she did. But yeah, that's why you can't really see them. But I've actually taken so many. I haven't taken pictures on this. I want to, but I did take pictures yesterday because yesterday was my brother's birthday. And I took pictures on Instagram. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I would really appreciate it. But these are some of the pictures that I took on Instagram. And honestly, I give it a 10 out of 10 because basically this was a fun experience and I get to pick my own pictures. It was pretty fun. The only thing that I did have a problem with is the days that I had to get over to do it. You could probably do it quicker than me, but I did take breaks here and there. So basically what I'm saying is that I've been doing this 2 or 3 days, and this is what the before is. Here's the after. I think the after results came out so good. I love my wall and I want to take more pictures and I just want to love it. I love that I feel at the beach because I literally live in the desert. I live in the desert, like the actual desert. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, And if you like me and you like my video, I will do more videos, but this is my first ever video, so I want to see how this turns out. But I'm hoping that you give it a like, hit the bell, and subscribe. I would love to continue doing videos on YouTube. And thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.